God, you're such a killer dog. Attack dog in session. Mac. You're so vicious. You are so vicious. Here, bite your foot. Why don't you get down and play with your toys? Can't you see I'm Facebooking? Can't you see Mommy is Facebooking? Hey, you calm down. You calm down. Now you're typing.
Oh, my hands in the camera. You always wanted to be on YouTube. Here's your video. Way to make an entrance.
My psychotic dog.
Macintosh, sit. Hey, hey, hey. What dog? Huh.
Mac.
Oh, this is not funny at all.
Mac. Why are you biting me?
Because I want to.
Mac. Hey. Ow. Mac. Now you stop biting me. Here.
Gosh darn.
That was one way to get rid of him.
Gosh darn.
Huh, now I don't know how to get rid of him. I know how to get rid of you now.
Mac. Hey. Macintosh. Come here. Where you at?
He's just looking at me.
Hey. Hey, Mac. Mac. Hey, come here. Sit. Hold on. Say sit. You sit. Why aren't you? Why? Oh, I'm on Facebook too. Hey, me. Sit, Mac. Okay. Well, guys, let's open up photo booth. Because I don't really want to turn this camera around without me being humble. Well, you can't even see me, I bet. So, oh, here's Mac. I have to fix my hair. How you guys doing? Mac, no. Yeah. Mac. See? Want to see him? He knows this is his computer. See, his name's right there. No, don't step on my keyboard, dude. You sit. Oh, you're already sitting. Stand. You're sitting on the remote. We're watching a movie here. Not really a movie. It's more of a TV show, isn't it? Well, you're a good boy, aren't you? You're a good boy. Mom just overreacted, didn't she? She scare you a little bit? Yeah, I know it. Oh, I know it. You know, you're not supposed to be over here where my computer is. Okay, well, say bye, Mac. Or just, yeah. You know what? Did you not? He licked my computer. Look at that. He licked it. Can you see where he licked it? It's cleaner where he licked it. Could you call your dog?
Come here, Mac. Come here. Come on.
Okay. Well. Oh, man, I fixed my hair again.
Now you can play with your toys.
This has been Beacon003. I'm looking at my phone anyway.
Don't you bark at me. I think you learned what was going to happen.
You want to see yourself? Well, hold on.
Yeah, you just lay there.
There, you see yourself. Yay. There's you. Okay. Hey, there's me too. Hey, me. To blind you again.
No, sit down.
Okay, well. Beacon 003 and Beacon 003. Yep. That's hiccup. iPhone. In my PJs. Yeah, so figured I'd do that quick little video of Macintosh and my mom. Yeah, so there's. Say bye, both of you.
Bye.
Say bye, Mac. Oh, you waved, okay.
He's giving his mom
Bye, guys.
kisses.